And he also said this, that at that age, I should have never done hair transplant.
Hi Zain, it's good to see you after a long time because your journey has been quite long, as when you're 19 and all that. What would you like to advise those young people and those who are having the hair loss issue? What you should advise them?
Transplant is a very delicate procedure, and not every doctor can do it. You need to find someone who's qualified, and you need to find someone who's been doing it regularly for other patients and who's gotten results regularly. Make sure that you're paying for the doctor, you're paying for the doctor's experience, you're paying for those results, because there have been cases that people actually went to a consultant and the doctor was the one doing consultation, but when it came to the time of procedure, someone else was doing the procedure who is just a doctor but not qualified in the field of hair transplant. I will give my experience when it came to the transplant and getting back my hair. Right now, my hair is actually very good.
Yeah, your hair is good.
My hair is good right now.
Yeah.
When I first came here, I think, if I'm not mistaken, it was roughly 2019. It had been 1 year since I had done my hair transplant, and I did my hair transplant overseas. In the start, yes, there was results from my transplant. I started my hair loss journey when I was about 13 years old. So obviously, when you're that young, losing your hair that much, your confidence is shaken. So I got to know about Dr. Jas here at Glojas Clinic. Dato recommended me to go with a regimen that he has, a regimen where I would follow PRP and medication. And he also said this, that at that age, I should have never done hair transplant. He was like, why? You shouldn't have. You're too young. And that comes with someone who is sincere to their patients and someone with a lot of experience, which not all doctors have. You can come to Glojas and you can see all of Dato's awards, and it makes you feel secured in this place. If you guys are looking for a doctor who is sincere to their patients, sincere and passionate about hair for his patients, I will highly recommend Professor Dato Dr. Jas G.